Hey YouTubers, about 2 weeks ago I told you that I was going to be showing you a full video of my new room system. So here it is. We start off with my first new horn light, go over to the lift and pull station, the old Edwards pull station, another new horn light, then we have my panel. Over here we have another horn light, the original one that I've had. And next to each speaker I have another horn light. Now, about the horn lights, the only horn that is wired is the one above the computer on the other side of the room that I've originally been using. That's the only horn, because otherwise it would be way too loud. And now I'm going to activate it with my original pull station, the notifier. So here we go. And after it goes off 2 times at code 3, I'm going to silence it. Here we go. Push in, pull down. It's been silenced. So now you can see the full room effect of my whole system. And now, going back to this pull station here, where I'm going to reset it, open it, close it. This is the full room effect here with all of my strobes. And now, I'm going to reset the panel. It was from zone 1. Now it's going to go into trouble mode because I don't have batteries. Silence it. And that is my full room system. And I hope you enjoyed it. In my future videos, I'm going to activate the other 2 pull stations, put the panel into fire drill mode, and do a walk test.